In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales report in Genspark AI Sheets. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from raw sales numbers to a clear, customizable report you can review, refine, and share. Let's get started by opening Genspark and signing in to your account. If you haven't logged in recently, make sure you're using your usual credentials and that you have access to the workspace where your files live. Once you're in, head straight to AI Sheets. This is the area designed to work with structured data and unlock quick analysis. Now it's time to bring in your sales data. You can upload a file or paste it directly into a new sheet. Common formats like CSV or Excel typically work well. Before you proceed, give your columns clear headers, things like date, product, region, revenue, and units sold, so the AI can understand what each field represents. If you're pasting data, watch for inconsistent date formats or stray symbols, as these can affect calculations. Also, keep only the fields you need and avoid including any personal or sensitive information. With your data in place, ask Genspark to build a sales report from the dataset. You can do this in natural language, such as create a sales report summarizing total revenue and units sold, with breakdowns by product, region, and month. Be as specific as you like about time ranges or categories. Then let it analyze the numbers and organize the results. You'll see it process your sheet, compute the metrics, and assemble charts or tables. Large files can take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Next, review the report sections, summaries, and key metrics. Start with the top-level overview to confirm totals and growth rates look reasonable. Then scan the breakdowns by product and region and take a look at any time series charts to spot seasonality or spikes. If something looks off, double-check the underlying data or filter settings in the sheet. From here, refine the report by asking for trends, comparisons, or insights. Ask questions like, show month-over-month growth, compare regions side by side, or highlight top and bottom performers. You can request moving averages, anomaly callouts, or explanations for changes, all in plain English. Iterate until the story of your data is clear. Finally, save your report. If needed, export it as a PDF or spreadsheet, or turn it into a presentation with slides that include the key charts and takeaways. Give the file a descriptive name and keep a version you can revisit later. That's it. Your sales report is ready to use.